Hello Internet. Here's a quick tip. This is a generic list, I guess. It was effectively just adding a bunch of things. It's probably the most standard way of building a list. Build a list and then add things to it. If you want to actually seed a list with values, though, there's a quicker way that you can do to kind of do that inline, and it removes some of the boilerplate that you just don't want to add constantly. And the way that works is you put brackets or after the constructor of your list on the same line before the semicolon, and then you do just a list of the elements you want to add. Since we're just using strings in this case, I can just copy and paste them. If you're doing like objects, for example, you just put the constructors in here or whatever. However you're doing the adds, the thing that you want to add, you just put there. And then we can do this, and suddenly, if I run this, we should get a list of the 3 places to eat here. So we'll have generic burgers, expensive generic burgers, and sushi. One of those options is better than the others, but I'll leave that one up to you on which one to choose. Anyway, that's a quick way to kind of initialize a list. So hopefully you can use this in your project and it's helpful. If you do, let me know. But yeah, that's it for this video. So until next time, see you, Internet.